You know if you're wise for Lagos, you know if you're wise for anywhere. You understand? Few keys. Fado. Oh, Eko yile, Eko akete, Naija nide, alaye lo asheshe. Tori Eko lele, wani Eko lawa, kani Eko lele, ase Eko lawa.
Hey, should I anyway? Afrobeat lele. Na Afrobeat we day. Okay, what's up? Hey, currently we day Afrobeat Global. Like we day Afrobeat Global. We day chill. Your baby girl, your number one drama queen. You know, most of you will know me as Nike Mona. Go the one that say this girl don't come again with our wahala, but no be say I be troublesome person. But anyways, I day Afrobeat Global. I day chill, and yes, so. Now your favorite program, the program where we say most of you know they like to miss this live for Afrobeat Global Radio. And as I did like this, not be say I come alone. If you the one that say she come alone this time, you know say for this show I dey like to bring people where be say una go feel relate with. And today who your girl carry come so? Hey, if I want to talk more, they do tan. Guess who they studio with me? Yes, no other person.
Make I expose myself.
Never expose yourself.
She don't go carry Musa, come.
Hey, Musa, you for don't allow me make I introduce you. Now, Oga Musa de yell. Oga Musa, Oga Dera Vibes. Baddest sound machine for this world where we dey now. Oh yeah, who they? Introduce yourself.
Now what they breathe? Now Musa, they talk. It don't come all the way from Kano State to Wale. It don't come for this show.
Musa, no carry you come say may you they do like this. Give them the in toto. Waiting you carry come from Kano. Not tell me say you no bring Kilichi come on.
It don't carry Kilichi now. Kilichi.
Hey, how many day bag? Because like say our listeners go like chop Kilichi for this period.
You don't know those Kilichi where they carry muzzle.
Hey, Musa, you mean say the one where they no go fit chop?
Wallahi, don't take and finish. Wallahi, don't take
Hey, I know say una want see Kilichi, but una go gas. I go give una the Kilichi. But wait, you know this show now, this una favorite show, this life. Today we get plenty amazing gist for una. I mean, berekete gist. But anyways, I dey go on break, and when I come back, I go summer on a hot gist for this life. Stay there, Mona, no go anywhere. Yeah. Hey.
Couldn't think Mona Uber said not the funny if a melody hustle and money finish relationship over. As I come for the feelings, melody where actually wasting my time. What I carry no fi give me on my candy for bunuku melody na dan. Osalo no they do feel big in that. Ukelo game one they to no fine, but at the same time no they to feel divine. As I told them what can work in Mulukodia. One kodo tinye muna uba say not the funny if a melody hustle and money finish relationship over. Sorry if I don't they pay. Not because the maga no
vibes. There are vibes waiting they happen now. If they do me like say, may this song they enter my soul, it too they enter my soul. But if I say make I use the whole of today, yes song. Una no go hear gist though. Anyways, your baby girl don't come back. You know how we do it. And yes, now Afrobeat Global Radio be this. And I dey here with Spence, the baddest, Dera Vibes, the baddest producer. Oh yeah, now you know go summer them Ogamsa.
Aye the be. Salam alaikum for all the people waiting for us.
Hey, even at the crush for that voice, when I just come, Oga Musa, you don't marry.
I never marry, wallahi, and I know see so many people waiting for us tonight. Then they crash.
Hey,
the crash tonight, the crash now. See they hear my voice tonight. They say what the when. Now what they go answer.
Oga Musa, you go find wife before you come out. Me, I go make sure say one of our audience they go catch your attention.
If you don't call in now, if I don't hear one voice, we find. Wallahi, don't marry you. It don't matter with that.
They say now from call they go pick wife. Oh, no, now quick, wash una voice come audition. No. Anyways, your baby girl don't bring your favorite show again. I say now this life we dey, and I dey here with Oga Musa. You know, your sound machine, there are vibes. So today, he get one sweet topic where I carry come for my people.
He go spill am out.
Oh, make I talk the topic. Well, na neighborhood palava. People they wonder say which kind topic be this? Abi Oga Musa, you know they wonder.
They wonder even self at the best. The best because this matter is the worry me wallahi personally. They collect my money, but I no go let the bag out of the cat.
Oga Musa, you too get money to dey complain. Potential wives they outside nah. Wetin you want me they think say Alaji, you Alaji.
In a true, because of this show, wallahi make a form. I got the money, big money, wallahi.
I trust you. No, the farm say you don't get money. But anyways, guys, make I take una into the first gist of this day on top this life. My neighborhood palava, they worry me as they worry una. But I know say they worry me more. Pass una, I don't know about una. Oh. But wait, Oga Musa. Wetin you reason about the things where they happen for this country, most especially for this Lagos? With this our prepaid matter, we be say some neighbors they share prepaid. They go say okay, NEPA don't bring prepaid for us. Say maybe they use prepaid. But Oga Musa, you know wetin can they happen for some compound where they buy their unit? You go see one wicked neighbor they carry microwave they put on top units where they small. Wetin you think about these things?
Wallahi, if you say make a talk, wallahi, you could not say this matter a very serious one, wallahi. Because if you don't they use the prepared, if now only me they use them,
yes.
Wallahi, it will sabi how to control them. It will sabi all the appliances, everything, wallahi. If you dey comment now, it go off them. If you don't come back on them again, because wallahi na pay as you go. That's
yes.
But this one now, because you know say equals. So if you don't buy it now, if you don't do for compound, we say when they share wallahi, you are in trouble wallahi. Because you don't know what my neighbor they use.
Yes, so
even me myself, we don't know what they use.
Exactly.
Wallahi. Before we know, some neighbors they don't go buy AC. You don't go buy inverter when we go reduce the consumption.
I even get one where I hear no vex say I cut you, but get one woman like that wey be say she say for her household though. Say she the only thing where she dey on na light and television. But the day when she catch her neighbor they carry rice cooker, electric cooker, even washing machine on top. Prepared wey be say the unit they say na maybe na 100 units that they buy. I don't even know I should take explain am. But Oga Musa, why people wicked like
you don't see now. This one now even your neighbor they talk about wallahi. If not my house where they stay. Well, my house where they stay, wallahi, if they listen to this podcast, wallahi, make they pray, make Musa get house.
Oga Musa, you get house now.
You go buy house soon for Banana Island.
Oga Musa, you get house for Kaduna.
Hey, that one Nakwadina they stay.
Now you want buy house for Banana Island?
Yes, now.
You don't get 56 million.
You never get it. Now why they pray now? I go get one fine now. One fine, you go buy me house. So wallahi, as I been they talk wallahi. For my compound where they stay, they share light.
Yes.
You not get too much where they use now. I say my neighbor, he get to washing machine. Before you know, you don't finish the light. Wallahi, you know they stay rich 1 week. Every week like this, na 3,000. I be too far. I mean, na 3,000 every week.
Hey.
Sometimes you know they say reach 7 days now. You don't pay like that.
Some people even say 11 days. Now 6K they use Oga Musa 11 days, 6 days.
It's outrageous. Wallahi, it's outrageous.
Now we dey favor abi na NEPA we dey favor. But wait, Oga Musa, this question dey very important. But we go on a break, and when we come back from this break, I go like make people talk say, wait, who this thing dey favor, NEPA abi we? Make we quickly take one song before we go on a break. Oga Musa, abeg. Give me one nice song.
Mark with the fire and the go.
Hey.
Mark with the fire and the go.
Hey, Oga Musa, but you know sabi dance.
Look at me, baby. How is that? Are you okay? Are you okay? Come to my bedroom, cause I've a day for you. Are you okay? scatter your brain for you, permit me. Yeah, I love you. I want to use my to shit to your womb. Oh, permit me. You're not the baby, my money. She say, aye, oh, lele, aye, oh, madu, 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 aye, oh, lele, aye, oh, madu, madu, madu.
You like a sugar mommy. Oh my honey bunny.
Give me Gucci, Gucci. Honey, baby, Lucy. You got it, Lord, you got it. Ekamoto, baby. Nobody know, nobody know, go no.
Hey, you come be like say, I want to use my money. I want to use my money. They scatter your womb. Permit me. I know be me go scatter now. Oga Musa go scatter am.
Well, I want to use my money. It will scatter my womb. Well,
hey, Oga Musa.
It will use my money like this. Well, I don't scatter my womb.
Scatter my womb with your own money. No carry money.
My womb like this. Don't give for my womb.
Oga Musa, you don't get womb. Hey, I don't know say you don't get womb now. But anyways, make una welcome back. And na still your girl Oluwanikemi. And I dey with Oga Musa. Una sound machine. Oga Musa we go Kaduna. Sabi me song. Still come Lagos. Still dey hustle. He won't buy house for Banana Island. Hey, even if he open go for me for Oga Musa, Muna open go for me for him because he really serious about him banana house. I mean, what do you call the name of the house?
In a Banana Island.
Hey, he said na Banana Island.
I go open go fund me. Wallahi, we appreciate. Wallahi.
Oga Musa na 5 naira they go to contribute for you.
God forbid.
Hey,
God forbid.
In the next 3 years, it go complete now.
You don't forbid them. God forbid.
Okay. I really wish Una just see Oga Musa because he dey make me laugh. Anyways, I want wrap up this my topic, this my neighborhood palaver before I take you into my order. The one we be saying, I know say most of una won't really hear about them. Oga Musa, so for this NEPA thing now, maybe say this unit matter, wetin you think say be the solution? Where you think say fit help us out, especially with this our troublesome neighbors. Make I call them troublesome neighbors because most of these people, they be troublesome people.
Wallahi, if you ask me, wallahi, I think say the waiting fit solve this problem now make everybody get their own meter. Make you get your own machine because it no piece up my neighbor now say make you not use this, make you not use that or this now. Even when they sleep, they follow and sleep. Even now when they use a electric gas cooker, they follow and use them. No. Even now when they use the washing machine and the air condition, they go tell my neighbor say make I no use air condition.
Exactly.
Even if say na me get them, I no go stop.
But you feel
I dey pay money.
But you feel say NEPA go fit give us separate meter.
The thing be say no be NEPA they give. And if money dey, wallahi,
you go collect.
Go get.
But some people get alaro.
Now economy now, you know say money not today in the country. So people now they manage now. My neighbor now go share one.
Na true, na true.
So that one now waiting a piece na the solution no.
So. Na true. Me says sha, if I go actually provide solution, I go feel say make most of us go NEPA office, go collect meter. Meter no quite expensive again, no. Because before it dey very expensive, but now the unit, you know say you get one time where they say they increase unit, so thing happen. Maybe say
the thing be say, you know say money for to recharge. It's different from the one to buy the machine.
But when you don't buy machine.
Now, if people don't get money to buy and like this, it don't solve problem. But you don't get money to buy them.
They go get, they go try find. I be you won't make your neighbor they spend your money. Make you wait they use just one thing. for me now, maybe say I just they use fan. My neighbor come they help me. They put electric machine. They put no.
The thing be say there is love in sharing. You get me?
Hey,
they share now.
Oga Musa na Kaduna they share. Oh Lagos we know they share. No love.
In a love, if you don't get money, you get money. If you never get it, there's a love in sharing.
Oga Musa, una get apartment for una place. Make I come they share with you.
You not get.
Ah, you know get house.
My landlord they don't travel go so what?
Hey, your landlord too now. Usa like you. No verse, Oga Musa, but you know. But they feel say them Alaji Musa. Alajis they get money now.
Alaji they get it now, but now we say now every Alaji say go to say get money.
Alaji you get. Alaji make I bill you.
Well,
anyway when you say Alaji Musa bill am.
Well, all my cow for nut. All of them they grow.
But they go buy your cow this Christmas.
All the cow
now.
na infants.
Eh?
Grow up. By the time it don't grow now, go sell them.
Alaji, when you don't sell your cow, I go marry you. Audience, if you get wife for Alaji Musa, he dey sell cow. Find wife for him. No make and die single. I
beg if you want marry me because of cow, you are in trouble. Wallahi you.
Alaji
because
Musa.
Now wait, it will be now wait.
Alaji Musa na money they take they marry wife. No, they do like stingy man. But anyways, guys, I know one of you would like to follow Alaji Musa to his house, but
Yo.
I dey take una to the next conversation of the day. Alaji Musa, give me one song. You get one song where you feel give me like that. So you say I want vibe to, because this next topic it go bust people brain.
Okay, right about now we go for a short break.
Hey.
So as we dey go this short break now, I want give me one song.
Alaji Musa.
Say all of us we like him for this song. This one is the title Forever never leave, and they sing like this, but they really work.
Alaji, no verse. So what do you call the topic? Or when you call the topic of the song? Cause I don't hear you. It
don't work. Okay, enjoy myself.
Oh yeah, enjoy yourself. Hey, Obodo Bolibo.
Obodo Bolugo. Anyamwachawago. Adaputago, Ife Mebego, Emabonye,
It's a couple of bully, and we day here. You mess with us in the weekend, and we day here. If you got the phone for the need you, but talk about it, no love for man. You have no choice. If you got the package, I need you, but talk about it.
Hey, Obodo Bolibo. Ineme femego. Imene. I know say most of na go the one that say when he came start to the year Igbo. Na Igbo man I want marry. And I got to dey shoot my shot. Make I sing that thing again. If any minute go.
Now we there.
Alaji Musa, no be big. No be outside they talk for you. I don't know why you they always spoil our people's song.
And that's what they sing now.
Ah.
For my language now. The people with the chop guaro. Guaro na kola nuts.
Na I think say na only kilishi una get for now.
You know I get kola nuts.
Una get kola nuts. Na Igbo people dey just. Anyways, to my potential Igbo man there, make una no mind this man say they spoil na song. Now we get this language and now we go rock am. Welcome back, anyways. It's still your baby girl Oluwanikemi, and yes, I have with me nobody else but Alaji Musa. And una know as we dey kick am here. I know say una dey enjoy the show. Make I take all of una to my next topic. So Alaji Musa, something don't dey bother me.
Go tell me now.
And I can't dey feel say if
you know say I be therapist.
I know, you know say only you dey sell cow, only you dey sell things, only you can't be therapist.
Only me na therapist, only me na philanthropist.
Hey God, you Alaji Musa, you sure
only
say
me na everything peace.
You be psychiatrist.
Apart from rapist.
You be psychiatrist.
I be no, I never be psychiatrist.
Hey, Alaji Musa, you dey work for Yaba left be that you. Anyways, Alaji Musa, no worry, God go heal all this your pain. Guys, he gets one thing where they disturb me, and I don't dey tell Alaji Musa, and you guys see the pain for my face. Now one thing like that though, we be say they happen now for house too and na neighbors too dey cause these ones.
Wetin be that?
Why I go buy generator, Alhaji Musa? I mean say I go buy generator. You wey come be my neighbor this time, no be say na face me I face you, cause I no even get anything about against face me and face you. But you know the one wey dey pay me. Your flat dey here. Inside that flat, my own house dey, my room dey your side. I can't put my generator for the middle or for where they put gen. You can't get mine, go tap am. Me wey be say na only television and fridge that they put on top my gen. You can't dey put AC. They put they use and they boil rice without rice boiler. You know these things where they talk. Oh, Alhaji Musa, you know they feel the pain where
they feel am. They feel am. Well, they feel am.
This thing they pay me. Say I go buy generator. I mean small generator. Oh, not be those I better pass my neighbor. Oh. Make I just say the medium size. Abi, you go come help me put. Yes. But Alhaji Musa, what do you think? Now you take reason. Too much problem dey this Lagos.
You never hear where they talk say it's a problem in the finish.
Oh.
Problem is plenty.
Oh.
The problem is say this kind of thing is not good. Because if a person don't buy generator, if you don't tap even NEPA, if you don't tap NEPA, you don't commit crime. Not good.
But NEPA, you know say
not good.
NEPA own self na government. If they tap NEPA, no mind.
If one go meet a private individual.
Hey.
Your neighbor now, you on gen, you can't go tap him. If you don't tap him, you don't go only finish for it. If you can't carry property where a big past the generator capacity, you can't put them for the generator.
Spoil them.
You can't spoil my engine.
Spoil them.
Not good. If I mean, we will combat the dagger. If I don't combat the dagger, don't combat your balakwasu. Your balakwasu don't combat.
Alhaji Musa, you dey threaten your future wife then. What if your future wife na person wey don dey tap light?
My future wife no vex walai na this matter na it don enter my brain.
Oh, he get one case where I read Alhaji Musa and this one he pay me o, na man and woman. Na so the man talk am say, even I say na even for Afrobeat blog I see this thing o. Na so the man talk say he get gen, come dey see say he get gen, come see say one day come back from work, see say the gen dey leak or something. Come go call electrician notice say na so they don tap in light o. The woman come dey deny o. He notice say the woman no dey on light at all. Anytime wey he on the gen, he no dey on light. Na there they take no. But the guy na calm guy. If na me, I go so beat the woman. I know they support violence o, but I go beat am.
You not support violence, walai. Me self I not support violence because if na me, walai, I don't commit my dagger na. You know say we not the carry dagger play with the got for our this thing.
I know. Say
I don't commit like this, walai. Don't quit my black wax like this, walai.
I know.
But they don't follow, walai.
I know. Say your own na blood.
I know go do am.
Blood. Anyways, for the essence of this show na be say make we dey review true life matter wey dey happen for our environment, especially this Lagos and so many places where we dey. The purpose of having neighbor be say na make we dey good to ourselves, abi. But when you can't get neighbor where they give you heart attack, you won't kill your neighbor. You no go want kill your neighbor. But anyway, still for this show we dey preach love. No una dey try dey help one another.
So na love you dey preach.
Try dey fix. Alhaji Musa, be wetin you get talk.
Na love you dey preach, walai. The essence of this show, walai, na make we dey table this matter. We not just want to talk and make it die for there. We dey talk and we dey try to render solution too.
Yes.
So that if they do this kind of thing for neighborhood, they will not say it not good because they don't talk and say love my neighbor as myself.
Exactly.
So if you love your neighbor, it not go tap in light.
Yes.
So it not go thief am, not thief be that.
Yes.
Because it to thief is not good in it not good. So if you don't love my neighbor, it will treat them well and everything. We just want peace. Well,
like me now and Alhaji Musa, we love each other. We love each other. Why I go tap Alhaji Musa light? I won't give him heart attack. Person where won't buy house for Banana Island.
You can't see na. Ajigworo. We now with the level by examples.
Alhaji Musa, you don't blow my head with too much grammar. But guys, we know say when I enjoy this show. We know say this topic they sweet una.
Yes,
and I get so many things to tell us. And you know say you feel drop comments. You know say you feel call. Give us, you even feel call. Give us topic where we feel talk about. We go gladly talk about some. And you feel also give us solution to this topic. You feel reach us for anywhere. You feel reach us for our main page too. For Afrobeat Global Online. You feel reach us for. You feel listen to this show anywhere, anytime. Mona no say I still remain your home girl. What's be my name again, Alaji Musa?
Na neka na.
Alaji Musa, your name go be Nika. Your name go be Nika, Alaji Musa. I go send you back go Kaduna. You go trek because we no go use our bus for you. I still remain your home girl. Oluwani Kemi. Make I talk about Yoruba. Oluwani Kemi. And yes, we just vibed, and you all just vibed with your sound machine. Alaji Musa, also popularly known as Dera Vibes.
That can finish over. So on fit to follow us for all our social media handle.
Yes.
At Afrobeat Global. For Instagram, for YouTube. Make you follow us like
and
that.
If you dey sneak, they use Twitter. We dey Twitter. We also dey Facebook. There no social media and the way we know dey. Sorry, no social media where we know dey. Make una follow us. Make una like. Make una also comment and make una share because
on fit to follow me for. I am Spencer Walai na handle to that.
Musa.
I'm not gonna follow at I am Bila na
Alaji Musa.
Oh my God.
You know call the name well. Una fit follow me for my social media handle Rekia_X for all the social media platforms.
As when they hear the name now, Rekia_X.
I know say una dey
just
trip.
put the X there because na her S. Now you don't leave them. Now you don't put the
Abeg go.
there.
Alaji Musa, we go fight. Mona see, I go talk una. I go big Alaji Musa for this studio. Anyways,
okay,
guys,
right about now,
yes.
We don't live on now for the hand of one boy whether they call it Zenaleski Walai and they sing this song. They call him Mark Pariwa. So right about now, it don't sign out. So Rekia go sign out.
Yeah, leaving you all too. Man. Mapariwo.
In a bye, Walai.
You way she touch my body, no one let me go. She get the fire, body I no fit catch it go. You don't dey enter body, you fella me yo. I no feel them my baby, oh my cameo. Friday. Tell me about Sunday.